We've been working hard today, and now you're working hard at doing. What'd you call this?
Caipirinhas.
Ah, that's the one.
The Brazilian cocktail.
Sounds painful. All right. Okay. Cheers, everyone. Good week. There you go.
What's up? I spent a month in the UK in a really cool place for digital nomads. It was a place called Somewhere Different, and it was a co-living, co-working space. And you might be wondering, especially if you're from the UK, why Blackpool? And then I ask you back, why not? For those who doesn't know, Blackpool is in the northwest of the UK map. It's north of Liverpool, north of Manchester. It's mostly known for regional tourism. Only like people from the UK actually go there. Why did I ended up there? I needed to go to the UK and I was looking for where should I go? Should I go to London? Should I go to other place? And then I found this co-living place called Somewhere Different. I felt it was a really cool place and I thought, why not? What do I know about Blackpool? I don't know anything. And I think part of the digital nomad life is to experience different stuff, especially the stuff that you have no idea about. Maybe a little bit of cultural shock in the beginning, but that was awesome. And also the town was really well located. 1 hour by train to Manchester, to Liverpool. You could even go to the Lake District. I made a video, I'll link the video below. And also you can take a day to go to Edinburgh or maybe Glasgow. A lot of different options. Something else I discovered once I got there is that Blackpool is really cheap. At Somewhere Different, digital nomads could rent a room from 300 to 500 pounds. And the town itself is also cheap. I was cooking my own food and I used to spend around 20 pounds per week. Beers was really cheap as well. You can find pubs offering beers for 1.70 pounds. What? So there you go. Why not?
I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on.
Last day in Blackpool. We're gonna go to the shore. Try to get some drone footage. Not sure we're gonna be able. It's about to start raining. Let's see, fingers crossed.
I'm sorry, Mom. My siblings are perfect and I wish I were the same. Making bad decisions, it should be my middle name. I love playing with fire, it's my favorite. Watch it burn my whole house down to feel a thing. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that tell me.
All right, we got it. Great success. Time to head back, get some beer, and celebrate. Thanks for the month, Blackpool. I really enjoyed it. One last thing we gotta try. Right, look. What is that?
We're trying some British fudge.
British fudge. What is British fudge?
To be fair, I have absolutely no idea.
They're selling a bud. So let's check it.
We're gonna try it.
What we're getting, look. Maltesers. What else?
So we've been told
Buttercream.
vanilla.
And vanilla. That's sweet. Look at, check the lights.
What's that?
We got fudge. Let's try it. Okay. Back in the hostel. Let's try some fudge. I'm starting with Maltesers. See.
They're all the same.
You think?
Very sweet.
Oh, that's just sugar, isn't it?
It's pretty much sugar with sugar on top. I need water.
I feel guilty already. One bite.
Oh, thank you. That's what I need now. On a scale of sugarness, 10 out of 10. Go, Shuli. Go, go, go.
Oh. Oh. Are
Explosion.
you sure? It's more like 20. Like sugar high.
And that's the end of the UK experience. Thanks a lot, UK. Thanks a lot, Blackpool. Next part of the journey, France. Here we go.